Alright guys, day 2 of cutting up Justin's nice E30. Got the driver's side all cut up and welded. This quarter panel was like replaced before, so it was like an absolute pain to get the inner panel to meet the outside. That's why it looks like ass. Now we're trying to fit the front. Cut the front fender. Oh shit. Got everything mounted. And it's looking spicy. You know? How do you feel?
I'm pumped. Looks awesome. I'm just gonna stand here and look at it for the rest of the night.
Yeah. Pretty good looking though.
Can't wait to see it painted.
Yeah. I would do a couple little trimming. Trim this piece right here so then it sits in the door. It's got everything like self-tapered up there to make sure everything fits alright. Then we'll peel it off, sand everything down, get it painted, and then rivet it on there. You know.
These wheels are so fucking heavy. It's gonna be close.
You're fitting. Oh my god, look at that.
It's gonna be close. I go with that.
These things would be in like 2 pieces. No way.
Huh?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? It's gonna camber in when it goes up. I'm gonna do it, test it right now. Might have to cut this square out. That.
It's gonna be tight.
You kidding me? Just can't go low.
Maybe sand it some more. Alright, what's up TikTok? Day 3 of fitting these fiberglass piece of junks to this hunk of junk.
It's the best way to put it.
We gotta get this skirt roughed up so we can trim. We trim this little piece going along the back, so then you can fit it on there slim. You got it going like this. So you got the lip right here,
Just stabbed it in the fucking
and then we shaved it so it sits nice and flush.
So from what we see on the internet, everybody else mounts it like lower, but we thought it was a lot nicer to have it in the jam here. It fit a lot.
Right, see? We got this line. Oh, yeah. And then, yeah. Gone. Yeah. See you later. And that little piece right there. Yeah. See you later.
I don't know where I was on. It's a drift car.
It's just a drift car.
It's hard to hear when you're covering your car in fiberglass junk. You know?
Yeah, but it looks sick.
What'd you do? What? This is Jackson's favorite.